मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
Commendable work done by Yog Sandhya Ashish Raikarwar. Since the past 8 years, she's invented music yoga. May we please give a loud applause.
And here I have the main person now, who's the founder of this Global Peace University, and he is going to tell us how and what inspired him to start all this. So thank you very much, sir, for talking to Mumbai Express. And our viewers would like to know, what is this all about, and how did you get inspired by starting all this?
Thank you very much, Mumbai Express, this news channel. A lot of viewers who's watching through these channels. I want to thanks. But first, I want to say that I am not founder of Global Peace Foundation. I am founder of Anand Sri organization. This program has been organized by Anand Sri organization. So this university this is a virtual university belong to America. Its head office in Chennai. All things is operated by Chennai only. So for Mumbai and Maharashtra, I am the coordinator. And today this total program is organized by us. So there are 24 awardees who got a doctorate degree through doctor award through in different in their respective field. Some people, they are from social work, some are from arts, some are from different area. So they got today this honorary degree. This is a Manad Upadhi, you can say that. So these people got honorary degree.
Every year that you all have?
Every semester we have. Now the next session is going to happen in Feb or in March.
And how do you all select this?
This selection committee, we have a special selection committee. Send advertising for honorary PhD. So anybody can nominate for this degree.
What about is it world renowned or something?
Yes, sir. It is world renowned.
So means whatever certificates they have been given, it can be.
The first is this degree is from International Accreditation Organization, IAO. You can see on the certificate. So this is a reputed, this is a registered university from America.
The next event going to be
on Feb or March 2021. Yes.
So that means then within that period of time, whoever achieves.
Yes. Already we have got many people for this, but it's not possible to select each and every person. So again we will filter whatever the application we got last time. So we will filter and we will ask the people, and we will send to our selection committee, and they will select. So because generally criteria for this award degree is approximately a 10-year experience, means that person should contribute 10 years in that respective field.
And what about your selection committee? Are they based in India or they are
everywhere? From that Sri Lanka also, we give the award to Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, different country, Nepal, many country they have awarded.
So thank you very much, sir, for talking to our viewers and shedding some light on what this convocation is all about. Viewers, I'm coming to you live from New Bombay, and I'm over here with a lot of dignitaries who's involved in this Global Peace University convocation. So they'll be shedding light to all our viewers out over there as to what is this event all about, because I guess many of you don't know what it is. So I have with me first, I'll go with you, ma'am.
Sure. Hi, my name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm truly honored to be here. We have with us the convocation ceremony. It's completely a great feeling, a new life for everyone who's really given their hard work and dedication to everything that they're passionate about. So this was extremely a prestigious moment for each and every one of us for being here to witness the convocation ceremony and of course the award ceremony. So I'm truly honored and blessed to be here. Thank you to Dinesh Gupta ji for organizing this. We have with us our honorable chief guest Dadaji Shinde sir, and our guest of honor as well, Dr. Sandeep, here with us.
Could you just explain to our viewers in short, what is this all about?
It's the honorary doctorate for everyone who's excelled in their endeavors and really reached a mark of expertise, really reached the mark of excellence in their every endeavor, deserves to be the doctor in that particular field. So it's honoris causa, the doctorate in music, art, any field. It could also be philanthropic work. We like to congratulate all the beauties awardees, as well as all those who are the recipients of the prestigious doctorate honoris causa convocation ceremony here, and who will really take their life on right now in a unique way altogether by adding the doctor ahead of their name, which is extremely a prestigious and great honor to all of them.
One more thing is how are the ones selected for this award?
They send in their nominations, and out of thousands of nominations, it's only the top 20 people who are selected for this. And when I say top, it's not comparison to each and every one. There is no comparison amongst individuals, but the comparison is amongst the achievements one has really done and achieved in their lives. So the comparison is about all the hard work that they've put in for decades together, and what is it that they've achieved, what success have they received in their lives, and what do they have to offer to the world at large to truly make this world a better place to live in. So considering all that, we have the nominations, and of course then we announce the winners after a span of 7 months. So this is how we select our winners for this specific doctorate.
Yeah, it's a great honor to be a part of such a small convocation function in the pandemic situation. Global Peace University is a platform where it's called as a virtual learning platform. It's a non-academic, but the people who contribute themselves in their own field as excellence, that work has been assessed and evaluated by a committee by scrutinizing from the beginning to the structure they have set, and based upon the scrutinizing and evaluation of the committee's report, it goes to the recommendation, and based upon that, those few people who have completed such kind of work and contributed to the development of nation and society through their own contribution of the field, and their comparison, Ahuja ma'am has already told about that evaluation process. So this is the way the people have done the work more than 10, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, and that's how they have created the some kind of we can say the very big contribution from their side, but it has been compared with the peer group in the world, and how you are excel in your own field with the other part of the world, and based upon that, committee has given such kind of honorary degree, which is honorary in doctor in science, doctorate in literature. So only one doctorate in literature was given to Dr. Dinesh Gupta, and rest all were given as doctor of science. The coordinator from Mumbai venue has been organized this kind of small function over here. So I congratulate all the honorary doctorate award receiver, awardees, and organizer for organizing such a wonderful function. Thank you.
I like to congratulate everyone from behalf of Global Peace University and Anansi organization who conducted this event and giving doctorate to those who had worked in their field. They honor them with their work and appreciate them with their work, and it's good work, and I congratulate everyone and for this doctorate.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time. Thank you very much. Thank you for talking to Mumbai Express. Once again, this is Glenn coming to you from Mumbai Express, live and exclusive.